So we have Bernadette here who is having some back issues. You want to describe that for us?
Severe back pain. I couldn't even do weight bearing on my left side. A lot of spasm in my back and my muscles. Everything just locked up. A lot of pain, sciatica.
Sciatica.
Yeah, but so much better now.
Down the leg. If you look at this chart, Bernadette, where were you?
Middle.
You were the middle, so that's L5 specifically. Pain down the leg coming from the spine due to the misaligned vertebrae and swelling, but also she had a lot that spasming really causes a lack of blood flow and a buildup of lactic acid, calcium, carbon dioxide, natural body toxins that we create, but it's not being flushed out. And prolonged spasming now, like if I held my fist like this for a long time, and after 3 weeks you try to open it, you can't open it. And you can't rip it open all at once, so it's a slow process, and then it wants to contract again. But now that we've got it moving, she's left with a residual amount of these calcified stones like you would have kidney stones, right? And one thing we've been doing is the ultrasound, right?
Which is helping tremendously. So how does that break it up?
So you can feel the
relief.
The relief from it, and how does it work? That's a great question. So specifically what happens is there's a piezoelectric crystal inside here, and when you run alternating current on and off, it makes that crystal expand and contract at an ultra high frequency rate, kind of like hitting a tuning fork, and when it vibrates it creates sound waves. And what happens here is when we run the ultrasound, we can use it for diagnostic purposes like looking inside and seeing stones, or even a baby, developing fetus, right? But what we're doing here is therapeutic grade ultrasound. When we rub it, those sound waves bombard the stones and help break down the stones. It breaks down scar tissue. It drives out inflammation, and now when these stones break up, they're no longer in there cutting and hacking away at your tissue, continuing to irritate the nerves and ligaments and soft tissue.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's get started with one.
Let's get it started.